So literally my healing started when I stopped trying to sell and I started trying to solve. I started trying to serve. When I made it not about me and how can I help you? I think, I don't know if it was Zig Ziglar or somebody said it, and I'll probably butcher it, but it was something like, you can have anything you want in life if you help other people get what they want in life. And it's so true. Like, help make someone else's life easier, more convenient, like help them reach their goals, their dreams, their aspirations, whatever it is they're trying to accomplish. And watch what they'll do for you. And so it's the law of reciprocity. I mean, it's literally, it's built into this world. I mean, it's biblical. If you go back to it, sow a good seed and you'll reap a good harvest. You reap what you sow. So if you're serving and giving, just wait. It will come back. Some people call it karma, whatever you want to call it. There's good karma, there's bad karma. But whatever you want to call it, like, give and it will come back to you. I mean, that's the whole premise of the tithe even, right? If you think about it. So that was kind of a start to it, right? I started to build these connections and build these relationships with recruiters. And one of those recruiters, who I'm actually really excited about, today I'm actually going to be interviewing one of those recruiters who saw something in me. Her name is Melissa Walker. I'll be interviewing her later today. And she saw something in me. She was like, hey, I want to invite you on to my podcast. And she invited me on. And I was honored and terrified all in the same breath. Like, I was so scared. I had a huge, massive fear of public speaking. And like, I was really good one-on-one with people. Could do great presentations. I could really crush it in sales one-on-one. But like, gosh, give me a microphone and tell me to get up on stage or anything like that where I got to speak up in front of a group. Gosh, that just terrified me. And so the podcast thing was like kind of the same thing. She invited me on this podcast and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know. But I mean, I said yes. I was like, yes, but I was terrified. And so I grabbed my business partner because I needed him. I was so scared. I was like, hey, come with me. So he was like a safety blanket for me in a lot of ways in my first year or two. Needed him, so I'm super grateful that he was there. And so we do this podcast, and I was just absolutely terrified. I'm like literally shaking. It was my first appearance on anything, and I was just so nervous. And did that, and when we got off of that podcast, even though I was terrified and nervous and scared, the energy was through the freaking roof. I just loved it. I was like, wow, that was so amazing. I had so much fun, and it was just like there was something to it. And I looked at my business partner. I said, Mark, we got to do this. Have to. Like, it's not even a question. We got to do this. Like, we got to start our own show. And look, fast forward, this show's been going for 7.5 years now.